Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to connect Bitget to Major, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's very quick and easy, so let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is jump into bitget.com. This is where you will do your transaction or your connection. Make sure that you are KYC registered, you're verified. You can check this by going up to the top right-hand side of the screen, looking for your profile picture and seeing a verified badge. If it's not verified, you can just go ahead and click on this and go through the process. Once that is done, you can go up here to your wallet, click on deposit. It's relatively easy. From here, you are going to select a coin. So you're going to go in here and we are going to type in Major. You'll see this is it right over here. And then you are going to choose a network. Now, you will see only a few networks available. You're going to go and select this. And now you have your address, your deposit address. So you can either copy this deposit address or you can scan the QR code. You're going to go into your Major app on your mobile device or even on your desktop if you're going to use the address over here, and then you are going to select your account and you will then use this address to deposit from your Major account to your Bitget account, and then it will be connected. I hope this was helpful.